This is the RB Chaurasya. Today's topic is mathematical reasoning, truth table. Truth table, it is the one of the important topic for the class 11. Truth table in the mathematical reasoning in Boolean algebra. As the students know, the three types of algebra up to the class 10, the students reads the algebra that he use 5 fundamental operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. Among these 5, 4 addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called the binary operation. Why binary operation? That if you use the operation plus addition, then 2 numbers is required, 2 sets is required, 2 things is required for using the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Suppose 3 plus 4, so 2 number. So binary, by B-I-N-A-R-Y, by means 2. The 2 number is required. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, 4 are the binary operation in algebra. And square roots, cube roots, these are the unary operation. Why? Suppose only 1 number is required to find out the square root of 4. So that is equal to 2. 1 number 4 is only required, and you can apply the square root of the 9. The result will be the 3. So it is essential that the 4 is binary operation and 1 is the unary operation. Afterwards, the class 11, the students are reading the algebra, modern algebra. In modern algebra, what we are using the symbol union and intersection. Both are the binary operation. For making the union, the 2 set is required, A union B. Using the intersection, 2 sets is required, A intersection B. In the same way, in the Boolean algebra, 2 binary operation, disjunction and another is conjunction. Note down, disjunction, if this symbol is known as disjunction, this symbol is known as conjunction. And this is the symbol of negation. So in this way, in Hindi, Boolean algebra, we are having the 2 connectives also, that we will talk later. In Hindi, whatever things we are saying the ya, in English we are telling this ya or. In algebra we are telling that the addition. Modern algebra, this is the same things is known as the union. And Boolean algebra, that is called the disjunction. In second things, in Hindi we are telling to that terms is or. In English this is called the and. Algebra, it is known as the multiplication. Modern algebra, this is the intersection. And Boolean algebra, that is the conjunction. Same way of manner that in Hindi we can say nahi. So English it is the not. Algebra, not symbol we are using. Modern algebra not, does not belongs to. And Boolean algebra, negation. We are telling the negation. Before these, it is essential that the something fundamental is required. Our is in the Boolean algebra. Mathematical reasoning is a rules for determining the validity of a given argument. Determining the validity of a given argument. Mathematical reasoning. What is the sentence? Communication of our idea to others that is called the sentence. What do you mean by the statement? Statements. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence that is either true or false, but not the both. बोथ या तो एसर्टिव डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस होगा जो या तो ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा, दोनों नहीं हो सकता है। दोनों होंगे तो वो स्टेटमेंट नहीं कहा जाएगा। स्टेटमेंट्स आर डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल पी, स्मॉल लेटर पी, क्यू, आर एटसेट्रा से हम डिनोट कर सकते हैं इसको। दैट इज द डिनोटेशन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट। The earth is round. We are saying that the earth is round. It is a declarative sentence, statement, which is clearly true. Therefore, it is a true statement. So we can mark it the T. Suppose another statement we are taking Q. Q means small letter से denote करते statement को। तुमने मान लिया कि Q डिनोट कर रहा है 7 + 5 इज लेस देन 8. इट इज ऑल्सो ए डिक्लेरेटिव assertive इट इज sentence which is clearly false because 7 + 5 is less than 8. It is the false statement. Therefore, it is a false statement. It means क्या हुआ? Q is F. Q is false. Are you sure? That means that is the come here mono. If we are telling the come here mono, so it means it is an imperative sentence. So it is not a statement. Imperative sentence, assertive, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. These are the not a, it is a sentence but not a statement. It cannot be a statement. ये statement नहीं होगा. That the whatever the 6 + x is equal to 0. If you are telling 6 + x is equal to 0, so it means without knowing the value of x, we do not know whether the given sentence is true or false. So it is a sentence but not the statement. ये भी statement नहीं होंगे. Truth. अब just come the here. It is meant the negation. What do you mean by the negation? Negation means opposite. P, Q, R, denotation of statement, and before negation, suppose P. Truth table of negation. Whatever the negation symbol is, that is the symbol of negation. Not the truth table of P. The truth table of negation will be the P. If suppose P is true, so negation whatever the reverse, false. If false statement is false, then negation of P will be the true. This is the truth table of the negation. Before truth table of statement is true or false according as it is true or false respectively. Suppose I am telling 9 + 2 is equal to 11 being true, so it is its truth value is T. 6 + 9 is equal to 12 being true, so it is true value. Its truth value is F. √3 is a rational number being false because √3 is an irrational number, so it is the truth value is F. Okay. Are you sure? That means that thing is truth value of negation. You become familiar. What we can see defined the negation. The denial of an assertion contained in the statement is called its negation. The denial